Hello, family. I am back with another episode on RealTEA Podcast. This is Shakia Watson, your host, and we have a lot to talk about. Talk about. I said talking about. So let's get right into today's episode. All right. Do y'all like my new look? What's up, family? It's another day in the neighborhood with your girl Shakia Watson on this RealTEA podcast on this good old Tuesday. How are y'all doing? I am doing great. Let me tell you how things have been going lately. So, we had decisions. We're trying to figure out if we want to do a multi-family unit home, a single family unit home, or buy some land and build our own. Decisions, right? So I have been all over the place researching everything like general contractors, financing, new construction loans, all types of stuff, talking to all types of people. So we're really trying to figure out where to really start, okay? And on top of all of this, I'm juggling a death in the family. My grandpa passed away August 14th, and I'm getting ready, to really dive into what I want to do because honestly, when I was in that room, heard my grandpa's last breaths, being able to feel God in that house and just knowing that he passed away naturally and it was his time. I love him to death, and he always told me put God first. And from that day, I've been putting God first and just really pouring into myself. That's the real thing with this, like real estate and just life in general. You are in it by yourself. You want to make yourself happy. You want to do better than you did yesterday. You want to accomplish your goals and celebrate you because honestly, nobody else is going to do it. Nobody else really cares. I'm to put it straight out there because everybody have their own devils that they are battling every single day. So don't think that you're out here alone. Don't think that your situation is worse than another. Baby, if it's not affecting your money, your family, or your health, what is there to really worry about? Not dead because of it, you shouldn't even be worried about it. You know the 5-minute rule. If this is not going to affect you 5 years from now, you shouldn't take more than 5 minutes worrying about it. With all of that, at the end of the day, I was able to go out here and do my research. I went to a couple properties and a couple land properties. And the investment property I talked about in the first video, I actually did an offer, but I'm not going through with it because I did learn some things about the property and getting feedback. It was like, no, don't do it. One of the things was it had termites. So my mom was like, Shakia, I don't even think you should waste your money on that. So I'm like, okay, let's go to the next. And I already had some options already in place. So I'm like, okay. I'm not worried about it. Like I told y'all, if we didn't get the offer or if it didn't go the way we wanted to go, it's fine. So I am happy that I didn't because I am now running into other opportunities and opening other doors. So I have been told I can get a construction loan to actually build my own multifamily unit. All I really need to do is get my numbers together, get some land, make sure that it can be permitted and zoned to be a multifamily unit property. So you have to do your due diligence, and that's where I'm at. That's where we're at. We are really trying to just figure out more and more about the process. Should we go partner up with somebody? Should I go join up with a realtor that actually is already in the investing game and see if they will help me out in a way? Or can I just do this on my own? Honestly, I'm in a place where as a realtor, I want to learn on my own. I want to go figure it out. I know how to research. I know all that. I have a background in pharmaceutical science, so that's just all research. So yeah, real estate game really teaches me patience. Like, it's not the same as a hair business. Hair business, you have your orders online. Anybody can come and go, order, get your money right then and there. Real estate is definitely another ball game, but it's worth it, and I'm very excited. I am loving the relationships that I am creating with people, with the lenders, with other investors, with other women, Black women that's in this space. I definitely think. All right, let's do a little quick break. This episode is sponsored by Shakia Watson, a Realtor. If you're interested in buying a home and you have questions, I will happily break down the process for you to get started. Also, if you're thinking about selling and interested in what your home is worth in this hot market, I have access to all market data to help you get maximum value when selling your home. That means more money in your pocket. You can DM, call, or text for more info. I am located in the North Carolina area. I service the Triad area, Greensboro, Winston, High Point, and surrounding areas, and also Charlotte and its surrounding areas. You can contact me at any time. Thank you and have a great day. We'll go right back into the episode. And definitely interesting. I love going to work. Like, it's not that I have to go to an office or anything. I can open up my computer and go search on the MLS for a couple hours, call up some people, post do some marketing, advertising and marketing, and I'm done for today. Then I get to be a mom. Like, I just love life, and I want y'all to understand you can do it too. I literally, but you still work. You work for every dollar you work because the bills still got to be paid, okay? The bills still got to be paid. And so don't ever think I'm not working. I'm always working. I'm always trying to find my retirement plan. Like, literally, the whole spiel after this is getting numbers together. I am now starting to look more into the numbers game. Now the whole process is the numbers, figuring out, well, if this is the asking price, what can we get it down to? What is the ARV? What can we profit on? Do we need a buy and hold, or do we need a fix and flip? What do we want to do? So I will let y'all know everything. Oh yeah, so I'm like really just patiently waiting, doing my due diligence, researching. I want to make something my primary residence or not. I don't know yet. I really don't. But y'all already know what's gonna put us in the right direction is the worth. Is it valuable? Is it worth it? Because we don't have time and money to play with. I don't. I work too hard. Yes, I do want to say this. If you need anything sponsored and want exposure, I am here. I love, I noticed, hey, teacups, RealTEA teacups. If you have any that you want to customize for me, I would definitely love to sponsor mugs. I said teacups, mugs, cups, outfits, business attire, any camera software, any camera accessories, any businesses that want any exposure for sponsored ads. We definitely have space. I definitely have space to put you in. Y'all already know I do have a big following base on Instagram, more female base, but the males are on there. If there's any male products that want to be shown, I'm here to help. I'm open, and it's my job, and this is what I do. So love y'all. This was a great episode. I cannot wait until next week to tell you all where we're at and what properties we have chosen and the numbers we have gotten. I'm excited. I'm ready. So I'll see y'all on the next episode. This is your girl, Shakia Watson, the Realtor, and we will be sipping on more tea on the RealTEA podcast. Love y'all.